Alrighty guys, it's Wednesday morning. We are at a new project. We started this on Monday. It's a field. It used to be a hops field. All the poles got pulled this winter, and another contractor came in and tried to level it off and clean it up, but let's just say it didn't go so well. So here we are. We're going through, pulling all the irrigation line because it's all mounded up. So we got to separate all the grass and sod out of there, pull the irrigation line, and make it level so the field can be worked with a tractor. So that's what we're doing today. We brought the Mini over here this morning. Got the big excavator warming up. So we're going to get after it. I'm gonna throw the drone up in the air, and should be a good day. definitely more than halfway now, so we're gonna call it a night, and we'll be back tomorrow. Alright guys, we're just rolling up to the job this morning. Got the machines warming up. It's Thursday morning. We got more than half the field done yesterday. Well, worked on it more yesterday and got more than halfway done. So we're taking these clumps of dirt and these mounds and filling in the trenches over here. So high to low and making it level like that. So ran about 8 o'clock last night and didn't stop till about 8 o'clock this morning, so start pulling apart that pile right there and start on the end, and then we'll meet somewhere in the middle. Alright, so as you guys can see, there's a pile here, and the guy before just scraped all this up right into a big pile without sorting anything out. There's posts sticking out of this, irrigation line, everything else, but just stripped it all off the field and left it in piles scattered around the field. So now we got to come back through and sort all this garbage out and level it out. So I'm I'm gonna go ahead and pick through this pile, see what treasures I can find, and keep going. Alright, good morning guys. It's Friday morning. Got the loader out, picking up this drip line. And I'm just running across the field, parking, and then just getting like 3 rows at a time, putting it in the bucket. Dad's finishing up the last 2 or 3 rows over there. So we're getting her done this morning. Hopefully gonna finish up today. So that's the plan. Alrighty guys, we finished her up. Well, Dad's finished up the last little bit over there, but this field is now usable. Just gotta be disced down. But we flattened her all off, cleaned it up. I got the last little bit of irrigation in the bucket of the loader, but she's ready to be worked down. So if you like this video, go ahead, like, subscribe, and hope you enjoyed. We'll catch you on the next one.